Yo, I never be rolling for the big fish. That's a chunk. Yo, you want one of these jigs? You want one of these jigs? One of my jigs. Alright. Big one of the day, guys. 313 on that boy. That's a good one. That's the one we're looking for. You want to grab a quick picture with me of this one? Can you grab a quick picture for me? It's a pig. Oh my god. Well, there's the biggest fish of the day. That's a 5. That might even be a 6, dude. Oh my god. Barely hooked. Look at that. That's a pig. That's got to be over 5. Let's go, baby. Oh man, that's gotta be a 5'4". Oh, what? No way. No way, only 4'2". No way, only 4'2". Zeroed out the scale. $4.7. $4.7 there, guys. On that boy. That's a pig. 4.7 pig. Look at that. Alright, get some. Almighty. God, dude, I got another pig. I just dropped my rod. That one went cull. I cannot believe I just didn't lose my rod right there to this fish. There you go. It's a nice one. It's gonna go through some change. Might be a small cull. $32. Does not help. Nice fish. Does not help the. Yeah, give me a sec. What's up? Jesus. Is that bigger than 3.4? Yeah. Took you a second to get that. Oh yeah, that's a call. 3.7. That'll help. Nice 3.7. That's what we're looking for. Nice fish. Big old mouth on. Whew. That boy back. Love them bass that live on the rocks. Just such cool colors. On that one. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. So serious. Oh my God. That's a 5. Double header, baby. It's a little guy, but whatever. Make me look stupid. Hell yeah, Mark. Why don't you let Kenny catch one? You knew there was going to be one there. Finally. God damn. Old snub head. Big one. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if he'll call. I don't think so. I need a 3.5. This looks like a 3.4. Oh my God. Finally. So irritating. It's not even a 3. Yeah, it is. JK. 4.2. 4.2. 3.2. See a nice stump. Oh my God. That's a pig. That's one of the right ones, dude. Oh yeah. Let's go. Whew, that's a good one. That's a good one. Ah. Oh yeah? Mark's got one too, guys. We gotta get quick weight on this one. He's gotta be 3.5. I don't know if he'll make it. Oh, he's gonna. That's gonna be a cull for me. Let's go. I think. Let me double check him. That's gonna be a cull, 3-7. 3-7 on this guy. Wow. That's a key fish right there, guys. 3-7 on this big pig. Mark, you got him? It ain't a bedfish, guys, but there is a decent amount of largemouth sitting right here on the edge of this bush. I just lost a big one. I think I just got bit by one. This bush has fish. Oh, there's one of them. Oh, it's a pig, it's a pig, it's a pig. You just ate it. That's one of the ones we're looking. That's a pig. Oh, I sight fished him the whole way, guys. That's a freaking pig. Let's go. That's a pig. That's a big old pig. Oh, it's a good one, guys, right there. Sight fished her right in this bush. I knew she was in here. And then I seen her poke her head out and boom, crushed her. All right. Let's get a quick weight on her. Might be a cull fish. We need a 3-7. Feels like it might be. I don't know. It's a pretty big one. Feels like it could be better than 3-7. It is not. It is. Let's see here. Three. 3-3. Not a bad one. It's a nice fish right there. Alright, let's get her back. Look at that big old pig. Look at the size of her. That's not even a cull fish, guys, so we've caught a lot like that today. That's because I'd be boat flipping like 9-pounders. It's a bucket mouth. Look, it's a 4. Maybe.
Yeah, the fish I needed, dude.
The fish you needed, the fish I needed. You got a 4? Get the fuck out of here. I got one too. No. I don't have 2 4s. Four.